All right, PJ, what the hell are we doing today?
Can you guess?
Seems like you actually want to make U-turns.
So today, we're doing something special. I got a proper LSD. Just because I want to do turns again. I'm getting sick and tired of going to the gas station just hearing chirping of the tires.
Nonsense. Just spin your tires.
True, but LSD. And plus the carrier is a lot stronger than what came with factory. Because how much horsepower does the factory one hold?
The transmission couldn't even hold more than stock power on a 350. Let's be real.
That's not a stock transmission I'm talking about the stock rear end on the carrier.
Let's just talk about that for a second. If the transmission couldn't handle anything with power, what's the differential gonna do?
Let's see, turbo 400 with modified everything? Yeah.
Yeah, still so slow though.
This one supposedly, it said it's supposed to hold up to 500, 600-ish horsepower. Just because now, since the car's modified a lot, I'm gonna have to figure out how to make it strong for the rear end. So, yeah.
Knowing you, when you go full send, you're just gonna snap something.
Oh yeah.
Regardless.
Oh yeah.
Regardless.
Oh yeah. But the only thing is, everyone's forgetting now. I never showed this on the video. There's coilovers on here now. It's not cheap shit either. It's QA1. See the coilovers right there? Yeah. Even though the axle looks like poo-poo, it's gonna be nice. Huh, buddy? You seen worse.
I've seen worse. Honestly.
You ready to begin?
Yeah, let's crack it.
Yeah.
Okay.
A little messy. Just a little bit.
She just got the squirts off.
Yeah, that's all. So, everyone keeps wondering what gear ratio I run. Right now, I'm running 342s. Why? Because I like to have my fuel mileage and my, you know, my RPMs low on the freeway, even though they're 26-inch tall tires. So, yeah. It's a good thing we're changing it too, because this carrier does not look like it wants to hold up any more longer to my bullshit. What do you say?
I don't know. Mine's been threshed a lot harder.
How many times have you broken yours? How many times have I broken mine?
I don't know, PJ. I keep sending it every time, and I keep drifting the car everywhere I can.
Yeah, I always get some ice and then I break the stock parts. I'm like, ah, shit. But yeah, it looks like that would be good. I'm gonna have to take this all apart. So let's do that. Let's get the differential out.
All right, PJ.
Yeah?
Explain what the hell you're doing.
Okay, so in the differential, there is a pinion that holds everything together, and it looks like this bolt, right? It's supposed to come out nice and easily. This is the new bolt for the new differential. That's not what it's supposed to be. Right. So like one thread is still stuck in that differential, and I gotta get it out now with a trusty friend, a long drill bit. Take it out, hopefully I can get this differential out, because without that I can't even drive this car with a busted pinion bolt like that. So if you want to know roadkill, this is us. This is me.
Mostly you.
Oh yeah, but I'm having fun at times. It's not the first time this ever happened.
Secretly crying in fetal position.
More than that. I got it, dude. But it broke off more. Jeez. Internally. Which I think, if I can, it should just pop right out. Yep, there it goes.
This is what victory sounds like.
That's if I can get the pin out. If I can get the pin out, we're in business. I like to see roadkill do this, you know?
No, they would just toss the whole thing away and get something new.
And voila! Got the son of a bitch out. Almost there, dude. How lucky do you think we were with that pin?
You should buy a lottery ticket.
You think so?
Yep.
Too bad. It's funny enough that YouTube doesn't have smell-o-vision, or they'd be smelling this grease and everything. Oh my god, dude. Alright, time for the piece of resistance. That is out. Okay. So Fonz, what do you think?
It's spiffy.
Oh, I know. And now we see why these carriers don't last that long, especially just what happened. Compared to this, all this machined area off, compared to this now solid unit, it's gonna definitely be better. And not only that too, how much tighter it is in there. What do you say?
Let's get this sucker on.
All right, so right now Fonz had to go do something with his family real quick, but at the meanwhile, I've been working on this still, getting the ring and pinion on. One thing, if you guys are ever going to replace the ring and pinion, or even the ring at this point, what you want to do, one, you got to make sure these holes line up perfectly straight with each other, and two, when you take them off, remember these are reverse threads, so righty loosey, lefty tighty. So as you can see right here, I'm trying to tighten. Doesn't want to tight at all. Go loosening. Now it's tight. And these have to be torqued to 65 foot-pounds. So yeah. And I know I'm not running, you know, 340. Not running 373s or 411s. I'm running 342s. So be it, because I don't have to do, you know, work on the preload or anything like that. So
Okay.
about how many hours in now?
Probably about 3 or 4, 5, almost 5.
Yeah. So I finally got the LSD in. You want to show the pretty people of the world what this pretty system looks like? Look at that. Look at that beautiful LSD inside of this 10 ball that should blow up within one pass.
You'll probably do that.
Oh yeah. Will it be worth it? Fuck yeah.
I'll be surprised if you actually do that, to be honest.
Yeah. And then I had a little hiccup with the old differential. It's actually a good thing we are tearing this apart and we're upgrading, because I do not want this thing to blow up on me.
Yeah, this would have been towed back.
Oh yeah, no, I would have. What was it, on a bed, tow bed or something like that, instead of just being like towed away.
It'd be like flashback to
You.
2020 getting towed off the track.
Well, you gotta admit, that was a cool picture that you got.
Yeah. I still don't remember who the hell sent me that picture, but it was on Freiburger's page.
What did Freiburger say about that?
Oh, I don't think he said anything about it. I think he just liked the comment.
Alright, dude. Looks like we're good. Let me get this all bolted up. We'll get everything back together, and then get the brakes on, and then lower this bitch down and see if it goes in the gear. Ready, dude?
Yeah. All right, you're moving. Anyone want Kragers?
Trade you Bassett's.
Get some other 15 wheels on here. I'm trying to convert them over to the torque thrusts.
Yeah, there we go. So all I got to do is button everything up for roadkill. I can do that later this week. Boom. Back on the road.
Bam.
Yep.
Back on the road for maybe a week of the year, and that's it.
Oh yeah. Because now gas is what, like 450?
Yeah. But what's the fun in that when you got this?
Small, unpredictable vehicle versus big truck where
You got this and you never drive.
Uh-huh.
Cars are meant to be driven.
This one gets abused a lot.
Mine all get abused equally. You need the right offset and back spacing.
Yeah. When I got this car first, this back spacing was not my choice. This was from the previous owner. Why I've never changed them? Money, and haven't found the right wheels yet.
Honestly, the previous owner, I bet you loved Kragers, but he could never find the right size.
Actually, it was a she.
She
bought the Kragers because the original ones were 14-inch wheels, and they were the Berlinetta special. So I forget what they call it. They look like the Dukes of Hazzard.
You mean the rare wheels that no one could find anymore for their Berlinettas that are worth money now?
Yeah, but I didn't like them. 14-inch tires and big sidewall. Nah.
Man, those wheels are the difference between your car costing $1,500 and $1,400.
Whatever. What I'm happy with this. I got a Camaro. I got it running. Yeah. Alright, dude. I think that's it for now, huh? I think we're good. What do you say?
Yeah, I'd say so.
All right. Well, you know what to do. Camera around.